everybody. This is Braxton joining Country Sparkle. So today we're gonna make pots.
Awesome. So what do we need first, buddy?
We need cut up paper. You just rip it up.
Rip up paper. Yep. So Braxton's got some here, and Beckett's got some here. Yep. And we pre-ripped it up so it didn't take so long. And then what do we need next?
We need water.
Water. How much water do you think we put in?
I don't know.
Not very much. Just enough to make them wet, but not be all like a soup.
Yeah.
So pour a little bit at a time. Pour some for you. Some for Beckett. Now what do you do?
I don't know.
Take your hands and you mush it together. Soak up all the water.
I guess.
Yep, get it all wet in there.
So
You get yours wet, buddy? Yeah. Get it all wet. Mom actually put too much water in Beckett's. Good job. Ooh, don't splash it. There you go. Okay. Is there extra water?
yeah.
Okay, let's dump that out. Move your hand. Move your hand. Dump out some extra water. Too much. Okay.
Too much water.
And now what do you think we do? Do you know?
Put the pots in.
No.
Flour.
Flour. What does the flour do?
I don't know.
It makes it hard to make all the paper stick together.
So now what? Oh.
Now mix it all together so all the papers.
Again?
Yep. So all the paper's covered with flour.
It might be a little sticky. Like always with flour.
Don't make a ball. Make it flat and mix around all the flour with all the rest of it. Good job, buddy. You're doing great, little guy. Need some more flour, Brax?
Yeah.
Any more?
Oh, I think I might need a bit more water.
Mix it up. Just like that, you do it, buddy. Good job. Let me see. You see this big clump? You want to break up the big clumps so that way they
don't
get flour on them everywhere.
You can.
Okay. Now what do you think you do?
I don't know. Put the pots in.
Use the pots. So
you will need pots.
So take your pot, you turn it upside down, and then you take your paper and flour mixture and water mixture. We can make this a little bit more wet for you.
You will need to clean your hands.
Oh yeah. Put your hands down a little bit, buddy. Okay. And now you just take it. Are you watching?
Hi.
And you put it on your pot. And you make sure there's no holes. And you press it around your pot. Just like that, okay? And I will go help Beckett. Okay, ready? So look, we take this. And we press it around our pot. And we start at the bottom. We go all the way around the sides. It doesn't have to be all the way down, huh?
Yeah.
Just enough to make a pot.
Yep. Take little pieces.
It's a good idea.
And do it.
Little pieces.
Hey.
Okay. Your hands achy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Press it just enough to make a little pot.
Nice.
Not a big one. It doesn't have to. You can if you want.
Beckett's is going to be more like a bowl.
Then
Okay.
a pot.
In the pot, yeah.
I think mine's going to be more of a pot than a bowl.
Sweet.
You might need to make a little bit of holes for water to drip out.
You're doing great, buddy. Go. Beckett's all done. And we'll just leave that right here to dry. So not too much on the bottom, but you make it too thick. So let's make it go down towards the sides now, okay?
Okay. First time.
Yeah, trying new things, huh?
Yeah. I can do new things.
Yes, we can. You telling about your pot, bud?
How long will it have to sit?
Good question. Probably about a day.
Or
and
two?
then it'll be dry.
1 day or 2.
1 or 2 days, whatever, however much patience you have, huh, kid?
Yeah, I'd say about as long as I want.
As long as you want, huh?
Yes. It's gonna be more of a pot than a bowl.
Yeah.
Like it's gonna be more of a bowl than a pot. Because a little bit of paper for him.
Oh, don't eat the paper, kid.
Blah.
It's time for lunch. It's time for lunch.
I'd say it's lunchtime for him.
Okay, and we just keep adding. We're just adding around until all the paper's gone, huh?
Yep. Just keep adding until the paper's gone. If you have too much, then what, Mom?
If you have too much paper?
Yeah.
Then you can just throw away the extra.
You can throw away the extra.
Or you can make a little pot if you want to.
Or make another pot. That's little.
But you just want to make sure there aren't any holes so the dirt doesn't fall out the sides when you go to plant your seeds in the pot.
Yeah. Is it fine if little holes are in it?
It's preferable that you don't have any holes. Because you want water and stuff leaking out when you...
No.
Okay. So yours is good. I'll add a little bit more to Beckett's. See that? I just mold it all the way around. And then that will be our pot once it dries.
And when you're done, wash your hands.
When we're done, wash your hands. Wait. Not yet, bud.
Mom said not yet.
Pot. Good job saying pot.
Papa's. Say Papa.
Almost. Okay. Squish that around the pot.
Your fingers might dry with the flour a bit, so be careful.
And we'll let those dry. Then we'll come check on them in about 2 days.
Or 3. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Okay, so here they are. The smaller pot obviously dries a little bit faster. It's not all the way dry yet, but I was taking it off and I noticed it was sticking. So one thing that we didn't know when we were making these is you should probably put oil on it first and then put the paper, or you could put like parchment paper around your pot and then the paper molding stuff. So this one, since it's a little bit bigger, might be a little bit harder to get off, but we'll see. It's still pretty wet, so we'll wait another day on that to see how it turns out. But there you have it. So when you do this experiment, make sure you have some kind of grease or something there to help get your pots off. But other than that, they look great. In here, a couple pieces of paper came off. They didn't have very much flour on them, and that's what happens when you don't get every piece saturated with water and flour. So just a little flaky pieces, but still, overall, the rest of the pot, it's held up really good. There's an itsy bitsy hole, but that's okay. They'll be fine for our purpose of just planting plants inside and then planting the whole thing outside when it is time to plant. So there you go. Okay, here are both of our pots pried off of the pot. It was a little bit harder to do for the big one, but it turned out okay. It's still a little moist, so it's got to dry a bit, but there's our big one and our little one, and we'll be planting some plants in there in the next couple days. Here they are, you guys, our homemade pots with soil and flower seeds in them, and I'm sure they will grow beautifully. These pots are perfect, and then once they are ready to be planted outside, I will just bury the whole pot down in the ground, and it will work out really well. I also wanted to make sure that in our home I had a plastic covering underneath it, so that way if any water drained through it, it wouldn't go all over my counters or table or wherever we stick this until they are ready to be planted outside. So if you like this video, please like it and subscribe down below, and comment if you have any questions, or if you've tried this out and you enjoy this tutorial, let me know. See you later. Bye.